What's good, YouTube? Alex here, and today the reason I'm here and the reason you clicked on this video is because I have a new sneaker pickup from ASOS. Yeah, this is how I got it. You can pretty much see what it is already, but they just came, and this is how it came. I guess the UPS guy wanted to take a look and see if they were worth grabbing. So I'm glad he didn't grab them, but hey, this is how the package came. But yeah, I bought these last Friday. Yeah, last Friday for Van's birthday. March 16th every year that's the year that's the date Vans was founded. So every year on the 16th, I pick up a new pair of Vans, and this was this year's pickup. I have been wanting a pair of these for so long. They're an old school, but they are a color I have not been able to find. Every time I find this color, it's either women's or it goes to men's, but it stops at like a size 10, and I'm a 13. So that doesn't really work out for me, but I was chilling on ASOS and I found these and I'm super pumped and I'm glad I was able to get them. Yeah, so these were just 66 bucks, free shipping from overseas, and they actually got here. Today is Thursday, so if I upload it today, they got here from last Friday overseas here, so that's pretty good shipping. I've ordered from ASOS before, but the stuff has shipped from their US like warehouses. This is the first time I've ever had an order come from them from overseas. So yeah, it got here super quick. But enough talking, I'm gonna crack them open, and oh my god. Woohoo! Boy, these are fire. Yes, finally I have a pair of light pink old schools. Dude, these are super sick. I've been wanting a pair of light pink old schools for such a long time, and to finally have a pair now is sweet. Almost dropped them. But yeah, they are just this light, I guess baby pink as some people call it. These are super sick, and they have like a cream off-white lace. You can kind of see right there. Yeah, these are really, really nice. They're like a suede all over. And yeah, I dig them. They're sweet, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I like these a lot. Just light pink. This is going to get a lot of use for me for the upcoming spring. And yeah, I'm super pumped to have these added to the Vans collection. So yeah, they're just light pink with their white jazz stripe, cream laces, not a true white midsole. It's kind of like it might be the marshmallow. I know Vans has called their midsoles marshmallows before, if they're not like a true white. So that's maybe what this is. And then you got your classic gum outsole. Sweet. I like them. They are nice. And of course you got your red Vans hit on the back. But yeah, these are super simple, super clean, and I cannot wait to style these this spring and summer. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe. If you're not already following me on social media, that information will be down in the description. So yeah, stay tuned, because this spring I plan on doing more outfit videos, doing kind of lookbook style videos, if you will. But yeah, you will see these on my feet in the near future. So make sure you subscribe for that. And that's it. I'm going to get out of here. Hope you enjoyed. Take it easy. And I'll catch you next time, YouTube. Thanks. Peace.